What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back with another video, and today we have an unboxing straight from StockX. I went back and grabbed a pair of Grail sneakers I've been looking for a long time, man, and we finally have them in today. Actually, they've been sitting in the back for a little minute now. If you guys have been watching the videos, past couple videos, there's been 2 boxes back there sitting, and those are 2 sneakers that I picked up within the last couple months that I've still not unboxed for you guys yet, man. So today, like I said, unboxing straight from StockX. I'm giving them another shot. As you guys do know, they kind of messed me up on a pair of Grails. I went back and got the Air Jordan 3 Quad 54s. I sent them back. They gave me my money back and all that good stuff. But today, I'm giving StockX another try. I'm gonna do a quick review over StockX and see how this purchase and transaction went for me. I know everybody has different experiences with StockX and even GOAT as well. As you guys do know, I dropped a review about the GOAT. I try to do that video at least twice or 3 times a year just to give you guys some of my experiences with these different sneaker apps, man. I want to try out SneakerCon and I want to try out another one that everybody keep talking about. But you guys stay tuned, have a notification bell on. So right now what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now if you have not subscribed to the channel already. Smash that like button to go for every video is 300 likes. You guys already know how we do over here. And hit the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video or live stream. We might go live tonight or we might go live tomorrow. But if you have those notification bells on, you guys will get notified when we go live, man. And if you don't mind, please have it on IG. Give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box, man. So all that being said, let's jump right into this package straight from StockX. All right, guys, here goes the box, man. We're gonna get right into it. I think these sneakers were released back in 2015. This is when I first seen them. I was like, bro, I don't know why I didn't cop it. And I was actually on a live stream with my boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, and we talking about some sneakers that we had and stuff like that. And he had recently just picked up a pair. I'm like, damn, I thought I had this pair in my collection, and it turns out that I did not have them yet, man. I went to go through the whole closet. I know you guys see all the shoes behind me, but I still have at least 30-40 pairs of sneakers in my closet, man. So like I said, I didn't have them in there, so I'm like, bro, I gotta go and get these joints right now. If you go watch that live stream, you see me literally buy them on the live stream, man. So this is the sneaker, like I said, I thought I had, I didn't have it, and now we finally have it in the collection now, man. Very dope shoes. You guys are gonna see what we pull out right now. But with StockX, of course, you get the bubble paper right here, nothing else in the box. And here you have it, Nike on top. Check it out in the red box. And the official tag reads Air More Up Tempo, size 9, retail for $160. They got it for around like 300 bucks, I'm not sure. And the official color is black, black, and black, man. Check it out right there. As you guys can see, man, Air More Up Tempos. And I don't know if you guys have been following the channel for that long, but I have a lot of up tempos in the collection. I had Supreme Gold joints. There's a couple other more that I have in the collection that I really wear a lot. I get a lot of wears out of them, especially in the fall and winter time. So you get your receipt right here. Go ahead and throw that out the way. And then StockX just starts sending these little cards and stuff out now to where you get like a Supreme. I think they got like a Supreme bag on one of them and a couple other pictures that they send with you. And then of course you get the little message that they send on the front of the card right here. Check it out. All right, let's throw that out the way real quick and let's get into the sneaker, man. I've been waiting to cop this for a long time, man. So let's get right into it. Let's peel this joint open and bam, man, there we have it. Triple black Air More Up Tempos, man. Let's go ahead and pull them out. And I could have swore I had these in the collection, like I said, but I didn't. But today we got them, baby. We got them in the collection. Check them out. I know you guys probably are very familiar with the all black joints with the Supreme on the side, but for me, I like to keep it original, you feel me? I could have got the Supreme, spent a little extra 100 bucks, but I was like, bro, I want to keep it original, get the Air on the side, and this pair does have the reflective hits throughout the Air on the up tempo. If you guys have never shopped with StockX, just know you will get this little StockX tag with the words verified and authenticated right there, as you can see. And you also get a StockX sticker right here, man. I have so many of these stickers in my house, man. It doesn't make no sense. But nowadays, I just throw them in the trash. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's go ahead and pull the other one out the box real quick so you guys can check them out. I know you guys are probably like, man, why didn't he just cop the one with the Supreme on the side? But I always try to keep it away from the hypebeast side of things. And this is the shoe that came out first, the triple black up tempos, and I was like, man, I need to get these. And of course they had reflective, like I said, but it's a crazy sneaker. I know a lot of people are not really feeling the Air More Up Tempos, but for me, these are classics. And maybe one day I will go back and get some of those Supreme Up Tempos in the collection. I know you guys remember the last transaction I had with StockX. I had a pair of Air Jordan 3 Quad 54s, and they came with like a huge crease on the toe box, and they had like some mud on the bottom of the outsole. But these right here, check them out, are pretty good. All DS right here on the outsoles, and then on the toe box, of course, it is all DS. You don't see any creasing or anything. Let's check the other shoe out right here. So same as the right shoe, These things are pretty DS, man. Check them out. And this is actually how the lacing comes with a DS pair of your Air Up-Tempos, man. So with the prior purchase I made on StockX for those Quad 54 threes, I just knew that the shoe was worn. It had that huge crease in the toe box, and the laces didn't even come, you know, with the DS knot and the Air Jordan 3s how they usually come. So I was like, bro, I need my money back. This isn't fair. I paid for a DS pair of sneakers and they sent me something like that. So that's where the whole confusion came from. I never said StockX sold fake sneakers. I was just really expressing my concern on how the shoes that was worn got through with the authentication process. So yeah, guys, that is my purchase with StockX, a Grail pickup for me. This came out, I think, in 2015 or 2016, I believe. You got the 3M piping all around the air right there. Check it out. And you have that big Nike's check on the back of these Up-Tempos. I'm super excited to have this in the collection. I cannot wait to get some dope wears out of these, especially around that fall and winter time here in San Antonio, Texas. And let me know down below in the comment section if you have any Up-Tempos in your collection, man. I appreciate everybody for tuning in to this unboxing. Smash that like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video or live stream. Like I said, we'll be going live tonight or tomorrow for that 30K celebration. I really do appreciate everybody that has got the channel to 30,000 subscribers, man. It's an honor. Like I said, I'm giving back to you guys with a free pair of Air Jordan 13 Flints. All you gotta do is follow the rules in the description box or go check out the Flint 13 giveaway video and you can enter yourself to win a free pair of Air Jordan 13 Flints. Head over to IG giveaway, follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.